Okay, so I'll be upgrading this keyboard, actually modding it using this. It's D65 gaskets, rubber. Okay, just open it then, I guess. Got a back plate, good. Take screwdriver. What bits is this? Okay, the hexagons. I think this will work. Screw tray here. Now let's just open the case then. No. Maybe the top case should pop off. Okay, also no. I did unscrew all of it. Why doesn't it come out then? Okay, I just found out from its Samuel 10 video that you lift up this top part, but I can't. I really can't. What the hell? Yeah, finally, man. Jeez. Okay, so this doesn't sit tight just now. The cable is okay. Okay, nice. Okay. So these are the gaskets. Ah, I see. Okay, I've looped the switches. I've looped all the switches. The steps is pretty new, I've seen it. Now move on to the next mod. We are going to tape mod it. Okay, I've done putting 2 layers of tape. Now it's time for Akko's tape. Ooh, look at that. I think here is good enough. Yep. Okay, I hope it stays textured. Now I'm changing and I'll put this Poron gasket on the case. Now because of the not tight fitting, the plate doesn't sit well on the case, so I'm gonna change the thickness of the gasket using this Poron strip D65. Yeah, I'll be cutting it into these sizes. Yep, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've put on the gaskets. I use 1 layer for this and 2 layers for the bottom case. Next is I'll be making the case foam then, yeah. Okay, I've made the case foam from packing foam and it fits beautifully. Yeah, I can say that. The plate and the PCB assembly, I hope it sits well. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Now for the flex. Ooh. Okay, it is flexy. Holy. Okay, now time to screw it up. Okay, I've screwed it in. It becomes heavier and certainly more flexier. The sheath and the left space will have some issue. I'll fix it. Wait, be right back. Okay, the keyboard is now done. Fully modded. More bouncy than ever. Yep. Now let's go sound test. Also, this is a little disclaimer. This will probably be the last video this year because I have some financial problem. Yep. Also, goodbye.